Black Friday is here, so are your eco-friendly cleaning rewards. This year, when you stock up on your favorite HOCl deep cleaning solutions, you unlock 3 free trial cleaners for your home. Your water tank and home need regular deep cleaning, but harsh chemicals like bleach aren't the answer. That's why this Black Friday is the perfect time to switch to eco-cleaning. When you choose any of our 23 Solutions HOCl products, especially the cistern and catchment bomb, you'll receive 3 powerful natural oxidation technology eco-cleaners free of cost. Our eco-solutions use HOCl, a cleaning technology recognized for its safety and effectiveness. It neutralizes unwanted organic buildup, reduces odors, and helps keep surfaces fresh. And the best part, HOCl breaks down into simple salt and water, leaving behind no harsh residues. Whether you're deep cleaning your water tank, freshening your produce, or maintaining your bathroom, this Black Friday deal gives you eco-friendly cleaning power for every corner of your home. This special Black Friday bundle is available for a limited time. Don't miss your chance to switch to cleaner, greener, easier home maintenance. Learn more. Visit SolutionsHOCl.com.